You want to convert lecture notes, research papers, or study lessons into interactive presentations for students? Or if you want to quickly turn a lengthy presentation into visually appealing slides with quizzes to test your learners? If the answer is yes, well, uPresenter AI comes to help. uPresenter is an AI-powered presentation and quiz maker designed to help users create engaging and interactive content effortlessly. In this video, we'll show you how to convert your existing document into a dynamic presentation using uPresenter AI. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more uPresenter updates. Let's go. First, sign up or log in to an uPresenter AI account. uPresenter offers three main ways of bringing your ideas into interactive, visually stunning presentations. The first way is to generate presentations with AI. The second way is to build presentations with various editing tools on your own. And the third way is to create presentations by importing files. Now let's explore this feature. uPresenter supports importing documents in various formats, including PDF, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and text files. Click on the Import with AI button and choose a file from your computer. Then the next steps are similar to generating a new presentation with AI. You can create a presentation with slides only, or if you want to create only quizzes based on the content of the imported file, then this option is good to go. I will go with slides with quizzes here. Select a category, a style, and a language you want. Once uploaded, uPresenter AI automatically analyzes your content and structures it into slides. You select a desired theme, wait a minute and your presentation will be ready to use. Here we are. Now it's time to customize if you want. Tweak the layout. uPresenter makes it easy to refine your slides with AI assistance. Change the image or the text instantly with a few clicks. Enhance the presentation further by adding diverse elements like text, shape, button, icon, image, and more. Want to make your presentation even more engaging? Just add AI-powered voiceovers. Choose a natural-sounding voice to narrate your slides. You can adjust the voiceover in the playback section. uPresenter also offers 8 types of questions and element actions to make your presentation highly interactive. Let's apply smooth transitions to keep your audience captivated. Click Present here to preview the result.
It is essential to ensure that your resume is completely free from any grammar errors or spelling mistakes.
Once you're happy with your presentation, publish it and share it with colleagues, clients, or your audience with just a click. Lastly, for offline access, you can download the presentation as a PDF file or export it as an XAPI package for LMS integration. And that's it! With uPresenter AI, transforming a dull document into a visually stunning presentation has never been easier. Ready to give it a try? Sign up today and take your presentations to the next level. See you.